Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss the kidnapping from lawful guardianship. In my previous video I have already discussed what is kidnapping from India, and this is now section 361. ये अब section 361 है जहाँ पे हम लोग kidnapping from lawful guardianship को discuss करेंगे. तो पहले हम लोगों को जानना है कि what the section 361 is saying basically. So section 361 says, now whoever takes or entices any minor under 16 years of age if a male, or under 18 years of age if a female, or any person of unsound mind out of the keeping of lawful guardian of such minor or person of unsound mind without the consent of such person is said to kidnap the minor or person from the lawful guardianship. So this section is saying certain essentials. So first of all, we will know what the essentials are. First of all, it is saying that taking or enticing. Okay, we will discuss what is this. Second one is saying about the age category. Age category to become an offense for under this section is that male must be under 16 years of age and female must be under 18 years of age. As well as if there is any unsound mind person also, that is also covered under this section. Next is out of the keeping of the lawful guardianship, and the last one is without consent. Okay. So first of all is taking or enticing, the first essential of section 361. Now, the gravity of the offense of kidnapping lies in the taking or enticing of a minor under the specified age out of the keeping of the lawful guardianship without the consent of such guardian. Now, what does the word taking means? The term taking does not means that always taking by force. Okay, and it is also not confined only of the use of force. It is merely that whenever you are causing any person to go or whenever you are escorting any person, that comes within the purview of this taking, and that escorting means you are escorting that kid, that child or any unsound minded person out of the possession of lawful guardianship. Next is enticing. The term enticing means that it is merely an inducement or any allurement. Okay, suppose I am showing that, suppose when I am just causing or when it is creating a desire. Okay, that and this by this desire a person is causes to go. So that is taking or enticing. Okay. So now here suppose if I am giving if I am just promising a child that okay, come with me, I will give you chocolate, and by that time he came with me and I just kidnapped that child. So it is coming within the purview of the taking or enticing, rather enticing, that is inducement or any allurement. Next essential is that the taking and the enticing must be of a minor. Minor means male under 16 and the female under 18 years of age. And it must be out of the lawful guardianship, means who is the lawful guardian of that minor. The taking must be out of the possession of that lawful guardianship, and it is very much obvious the guardian consent was missing when I am taking that person. So obviously a guardian will not give consent to take his or her child away from him or her. So this is the kidnapping. So there is one case I want to discuss. It is a Thakorilal case. Here in this case the accused was charged of kidnapping of a minor girl. The girl was of below 15 years of age and she was kidnapped from the lawful guardianship of her father. It was established that the accused had at earlier age induced the girl to leave her father's protection by indicating or encouraging a suggestion that he would give her shelter. Now, holding the accused liable for kidnapping under section 363, the Supreme Court said that mere circumstances that his act was not the immediate cause of leaving her parental home or guardian custody would constitute no valid defense and would not absolve him from the offense of kidnapping. So, the girl of below the 15 years of age was caused to leave from the lawful guardianship of her father, and there was one inducement was given that the boy will give shelter. So here in this case, the Supreme Court strictly said that his act was not the immediate cause of leaving her parental custody, and so it will not cause to valid defense and will not absolve him from the offense of kidnapping. Okay, so this is one of the case which has been given here. Now regarding the punishment part, which is here under section, we will read, it is under section 363, that is punishment from kidnapping. Whoever kidnaps any person from India or from lawful guardianship shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. So the punishment is extend to 7 years and also fine. So this is in total the offense of kidnapping. I hope you have understood. If you have any query, just ask me. Put your query in the comment box. I will definitely answer. Wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye. And if you like my video, please give a like and subscribe my channel.